Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase deployment speed with CircleCI, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a CircleCI account and your project is connected. Next, navigate to your project settings. Under the build settings, enable parallelism. This allows multiple jobs to run simultaneously. Then, identify tasks that can run concurrently in your workflow. Modify your configuration file to include parallel jobs. Now, consider caching dependencies to save build time. In your CircleCI config file, add cache paths for your dependencies. This will reduce the need to re-download packages with each build. Next, optimize your Docker images. Use multi-stage builds to keep your images lightweight. This reduces the time needed to pull images during deployment. You can also implement workflows to better organize your jobs. Set up different workflows for testing and deploying. This separation can help streamline your process. Next, use the CircleCI API for automated triggers. This will allow for quicker handoffs between stages. Analyze your build metrics to identify bottlenecks. Finally, continuously iterate on your process. Regularly review and adjust your configuration for improvements. By following these steps, you can significantly increase your deployment speed with CircleCI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.